go. So we have this power. It's a cord. Yeah, cord. USB cord. And this is the power cord. Yeah. And then this is the CD installer for this printer. What's this? I don't know this one. And let's open this one. Oh my god, this is Kevin's
First time.
This is my first time actually. Yeah, and thank you to my sponsor. And my sponsor, this is the favorite color of my sponsor too. Oh my god. Color green.
Ayun, lagi si panuktok. Log sila.
So this is the step how to install the printer. What's this? This is a manual, like manual. Yes, this is a manual. And then, okay, I'll show you. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, this is a 3-in-1. So, sorry. This is 3-in-1. Print, scan, and copy. This is the scanner. Yeah. The size is like A4. Yeah, A4. And then this is the power button. This is the power button. And this is if you try to copy colored, so you press this one. And you want to just block here, and then what else? This is close, and I forgot this one. What is this one? Okay, anyways, so the color green is. Then if you want to photocopy or print, you'll put the bond paper here, and then I'll show you the ink cartridge. So this is printer. It's already the ink is already installed, the colored in the black. So there's 2 cartridge there.
Pwede ba na ano to?
And wait, there's more. The number of ink is 680. They said you can buy that anywhere because it's common ink. So you can
Pwede na picture ta.
close this one. Oh, pwede close. Picture na yun.
Pwede na picture.
Okay.